You probably heard that webinars are one of the most powerful ways to make money online. But let's be honest, hosting them yourself can be overwhelming. Setting up software, presenting on camera, and running smooth live events takes a lot of work. That's why John Thornhill's webinar profit engine is such a game changer. It lets you earn from webinars without ever hosting one. John knows what it's like to start from scratch. He spent 15 years in a factory before building a system that's made him over $5 million online. Now, that same automated webinar system is available for anyone to plug into. You get a done for you funnel, 99 days of email follow ups, and traffic training. Everything built to convert. You don't need a product, an audience, or tech skills. Just plug in your link, send traffic, and the system does all the selling for you automatically. So if you want a simple, automated way to start earning affiliate commissions, click the link in the description to check out Webinar Profit Engine and see how to turn automated webinars into your own online income stream. Because with the right system, you can earn even while you sleep.